Elements of promotion mix. Advertising. The advertising is any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of goods and services by the identified sponsor in the exchange of a fee. Though advertising, the marketer tries to build a pull strategy wherein the customer is instigated to try the product at least once. The complete information along with the attractive graphics of the product or services can be shown to the customers that grab their attention and influences the purchase decision. Personal selling. This is one of the traditional form of promotional tool wherein the salesman interact with the customers directly by visiting them. It is a face-to-face interaction between the company representative and the customer with the objective to influence the customer to purchase the product or services. Sales promotion. The sales promotion is the short-term incentives given to the customers to have an increased sales for a given period. Generally, the sales promotion schemes are floated in the market at the time of festival or the end of the season. Discount, coupon, payback, offers, freebies, etc. are some of the sales promotion schemes. With the sales promotion, the company focus on the increased short-term profit by attracting both the existing and the new customers. Public relations. The marketer tried to build a favorable image in the market by creating relations with the general public. The companies carry out several public relations campaigns with the objectives to have a support of all the people associated with it either directly or indirectly. The public companies of the customers, employees, suppliers, distributors, shareholders, government and the society as a whole. The publicity is one of the form of public relations that the company may use with the intention to bring newsworthy information to the public. Example: large corporates such as Dabur, L&T, Tata Consultancy, Bharti Enterprises Services, Unitech and PSUs such as Indian Oil, GAIL and NTPC have joined hands with the government to clean up their surroundings, build toilets and support the Swachh Bharat mission. Direct marketing. With the intent of technology, companies reach customers directly without any intermediaries or any paid medium. The emails, text messages, fax are some of the tool of direct marketing. The companies can send the emails and messages to the customers if they need to be informed about the new offering or the sales promotion schemes.